What up, guys? Welcome back to Sean Marvel Exotics. This is going to be a little bit different content, which most of you that watch my channel know, and those who don't watch it probably don't know. So if anyone's new here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below, down there. Hit the subscribe button, and also if you want to be updated for every time I post a video, make sure that you hit the bell icon to be notified. This, I'm just going to go ahead and say it, I am filming on a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Okay, I normally would be filming on an iPhone, so this is rather unusual for me. I did get a new phone, so for the moment, I might do a review. So if you want to see a review on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, please go ahead and comment that down below. Anyways, so here's a little video. So I don't know if most of you probably know what this is, but if you do, this is a wallet. But it's not just any wallet. Shocking, right? Okay, yeah, it looks pretty normal. It carries cards. You could technically put cash in there, but it's a little bit different. See, it's pretty thick. It's metal. Well, it's kind of metal. Oh, wow, look, what's this? Why are there a USB port? It is a charging wallet by Bell & Howell. So, I figured we'd do something different. As you can tell, I have tried to kind of tear it apart. I was going to try and turn this into a video of ways of hiding things, but instead, I just figured you can't hide anything under that shell very well, and the shell here is pretty flimsy, as you can kind of tell. So, instead, we're going to do a video. Sorry about my horrible camera skills. We're gonna do a little, sorry, I accidentally hit a wrong setting. Okay, yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this apart and see what it looks like on the inside where the charger is. Thought that'd be kind of interesting. Try not to break it. So if you've ever wondered what's inside a wireless charging case, guess what? You get to find out. So I'm gonna try to set the camera up in a decent form so that maybe this will work, and we'll see what happens. And okay, so I might not be able to make this work, but we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna try to set the phone like this. You might not even be able to see it, honestly. I think you all can see that. I'm hoping you guys can. So when you're taking this apart, there's a screw here and a screw here. It's got to be undone. If I can get it undone. Alrighty, that's one screw down. Trying to keep that organized so I know which side it came from. Then here's the other screw. That are all the screws that I'm aware of currently. And this goes in towards the battery section. So we're going to go ahead and stick this battery up top. Now, theoretically, I should just be able to, yeah, or not. Aha, there we go. So that's how this thing comes apart. A little bit different than I expected. Honestly, actually quite a bit different. In fact, I don't even know that this completely comes off. We'll find out. Hopefully not breaking it in the meantime. Does that have to come off too? Dang. No, it shouldn't have to. Try to peek inside real quickly. I really can't tell how this thing fully comes apart. Maybe let's just take the metal piece off. That's kind of the crappy metal this thing comes with. It's basically just aluminum. Look what I found back here. another force, at least 2 screws so far. We're just going to try to rip this metal right off. Create a new kind of wallet here. Oh, wow. Well, that was a fail. Okay, what did I just break? Obviously, a little plastic piece. Oh, okay, I know what that is then. That's just a button. That just goes ahead and covers that up. And it goes right through there instead, so that you can actually push the button. So that actually, those screws just take off the control panel unit. That piece, yeah. So we're just going to go ahead and stick that in there so I don't lose it in the meantime. Sorry, I know I was completely out of camera there for a moment. So there's going to be another 4 screws now. This should theoretically be battery 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is just kind of your control unit for what connects the battery and everything like that. So hopefully the same screwdriver will work. It should. Oh yeah, that one works perfect, in fact. That's bottom right. Bottom left. So maybe if I actually get the screwdriver in right. This is kind of just a random video. I'm just doing basically a tear apart. Never really thought I'd try do something a little bit different this time. But yeah, make sure you guys show up on Saturday, because this Saturday I'm going to be going to a car show. Hopefully the weather holds up, so it'll be a pretty nice turnout. And I know I haven't filmed a car show in a while, and I know a lot of people like that, so make sure that you guys show up on Saturday, because I will definitely be posting a video about the car show and everything that was there. Yeah, so that's kind of your piece here. I have no clue why they've marked a 3-. That might just be glue. And this is pretty much just the inside right here. So you've got a couple connection ports right here. You've got pretty nice motherboard shape here. I think that's just kind of a coil right here. This is your just charging component to charge the battery, and then of course USB output. You've got your little power button right here, and then there's your little LEDs to check your battery status. Man, that's bright. Those are 4 LEDs. Then you also have a little red one right here, where when it's dead, it'll show you red. Is that a button? Don't think those are buttons. No, they're just kind of mounts right there. They're not going to do a whole lot. Not much more to really take apart. I mean, I could take the battery out, but that can be rather risky. I mean, I'm already risking blowing this up, but that's like causing a little minor explosion. Oh, and this actually fully comes out, so that's actually what those are. They hold the motherboard essentially on here. It's actually pretty cool. So, is it possible to really hide anything? I mean, there is a way. You could definitely get away with it. It's probably not recommended, really, but you know, whatever recommended. So yeah, that's just kind of your internals. Looks pretty cool. Never seen the inside of one of these little guys, and that's what it looks like. So the more you know. That's the inside of your everyday just charging Bell & Howell. Bought at Walmart as seen on TV. So if your battery in it ends up dying, you could essentially just go find yourself a lithium-ion battery and probably go fix it now. So it's as simple. You got 6 screws. I mean, yes, you have to rip that metal piece off, which is kind of unfortunate, but I mean, you know, it wouldn't be. It's not really that much protection with it on. As you can tell, it's really flimsy metal, so it's not like it's really gonna protect your phone all that much, or your case. Like all the interior components here that much inside. Internal components, not interior. That's what happens when you're an automotive guy. You start calling things that you just use automotive terms for everything. So instead of now I can't even think of the word. I said interior, but internal. There we go. That's the word. But instead of using internal, just start using interior. Why not? Well, it's kind of interesting that you have to take it apart from the inside and the outside. It's kind of unusual. So you've got the 4 screws that are out here. And this one's probably going to end up cross-threaded by the end of it. But then you have, like, on the inside is how you connect the motherboard back up. So let's go ahead and do that and try not lose this little component right there. We'll try not to, at least. And I'm already dropping it. So we're not doing a very good job at that. I did find it. So there's a good plus. So let's just stick him on top of his little, his little place right there. Well, we figure out how to stick this back on without losing him again. Okay, we'll just do it this way then. That definitely should work. Kind of do it like that. It's kind of something else that's rather interesting looking at it. Like, as you can see, it just leaves like this little piece right here. So without that cover, it's actually slightly exposed, which is kind of cool. We need that one. Probably ain't right anyways, but probably doesn't really matter where I put the screw. But we'll just try to put it back properly. I'm hoping you guys can see the video. I know it's pretty crappy. Didn't really know what else to upload right now, so just thought I'd try something a little bit different. I've got a couple more ideas coming up. A lot of the ideas I've had haven't gone so well. Been pretty busy lately and had a couple things that did come up, so that I'll get into more probably Saturday. I'd go ahead and say on that. So yeah, just be prepared. I'll probably do a double upload on Saturday, so that explaining a little more about kind of life and what's been going on, and a little bit about goals and upcoming things, hopefully, for the channel. So yeah. So there you go. Now you can see where those LEDs came in handy, because there they go. They light up all through there, and now it's actually kind of cool. And we're just going to go ahead and leave this guy off, because why wouldn't we? Should we take the other side off so it's debranded now? Yeah, let's go for it. Now maybe we'll go for it. I had to try to use a knife the other day to do it, because that adhesive they put on here is pretty dang strong. You can see the, like, just a screwdriver's making this crap, but like, oh shoot, it's glue on this side. A little bit different this side. It's kind of interesting. I can use some Goo Gone on that side. See, it's even just like randomly breaking right there. Like, it's such weak metal. That's some strong glue. There you go. So I'll get that off, and then I've got a couple other interesting, little bit different videos coming up. Not related to the automotive world, but I will have a little update in the automotive world coming in tomorrow. So tomorrow, stay tuned for an automotive video update, and yeah, so that's just kind of that's what it looks like when it's put back together, at least on some extent, and now you got to see the inside. Anyways, make sure you guys go ahead and go down below, subscribe. Also, there will be a link in the description. Go check out the merch. Right now, yes, I know it's on a charity post, but, I'll be repping the merch Saturday, hopefully, if all goes well. Anyways, make sure that you guys get the merch. It's going to be run through Custom Ink. I've got 2 designs up right now. I'm sure you can find it. I'm really not sure how to find the other design. First design is the same one as the original. I just reposted it, and then the other design is basically the same. It's just been modified a little bit. So yeah, you can guys go on there. I've got shirts for 15, maybe 20. I want to say. And then if you want, you can get a sweatshirt for $30. And I know it's kind of winter, so t-shirt's kind of a little off, but go check it out if you like it. It all supports the channel. And yeah, peace out, guys.